All of us have problems. There's not a single person who doesn't deal with a single problem every day. And that is human nature. Everyone has problems. How you try to fix it or solve it matters. If you ask Google how to solve a problem, Google is going to give you millions of ways to fix the trouble. Steve Jobs says, try to see the problems like a programmer. You know how does a programmer looks into a problem? They basically draw a flow chart. When you think as a normal human being, you should have the capability or the capacity for critical thinking. It is your maturity, your capacity, and your capability to choose one among the millions. If you try to sort out a problem, you must have quick results because problems are always troubling. Problems always have bugs in them. So if it is elongated to a longer period of time, then definitely it's going to spoil everything. So for a person who tries to solve a problem, he must have the idea of the problem. He must write down what the problem is, or he must define the problem. And also at the same time, on the other side, he must define what is your goal. When combining these two, you will understand that if you have a particular goal and if you want to achieve that particular one, then you have to resolve this problem from the root. If you're trying to resolve a problem, you have to see what is the base or the root is. If the root is not right, then the problem is never going to end up. It is going to, like pile up, finally become an ocean of problems which can never be resolved. So it is a person's ability and a person's maturity to see the problem and define it and then find a solution. When you're trying to resolve a problem, you must completely remove the negativity that this problem is not going to be solved because, negativity always attracts negativity. So you must have a goal. Your goal is to resolve the problem. Thereby, you will find out millions of ways, millions of solutions, millions of ways, you know, how you can how you can reach or how you can attain that particular goal of yours. You must always understand that problems are not permanent. They are temporary. They are temperamental. You know, one major cause in this world for people who are facing trouble is that they don't approach therapists or they are immature to know the fact that not every problems can be resolved by themselves. Sometimes you are you're asked to yourself to reach out to a therapist, to an expert, or to a third person who can help you or who can find you at least 3 times better ways to resolve the problems. You must take it along the surface of your skin and just leave it out. If you try to take it or if you try to swallow it all of into your mind or into your heart, it is going to spoil your health, your wealth, your ability, your productivity, and everything. And all these can affect your happiness. Happiness is something very, very important in your life, and you really want it for your survival. If you feel the videos are interesting, inspiring, and at the same time informative, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Kindly give your valuable feedbacks on my Instagram DM, or you can also share your comments below. Thanks for watching.